Hey guys, what's up? RevoCate here, and just doing another vlog today. Home alone, so that's awesome. See the little games room and stuff there. The birds. Hello, birdies. Birdie, bird, bird, birdie, birdie, bird, bird. So yeah, just chilling out like always. Got my advent calendar there. Gonna go edit TMS, edit this, render both of them, upload them, then probably go to the gym or something because I haven't gone in a while and I feel like shit. So let's move on. I don't know where I'm going. I was gonna get a drink and thought, let's vlog. Shh! You always ruin everything I film because you're so goddamn noisy. Yep. POS, you piece of shit. What drink should we get? I'm gonna go with let's move. And we're going for a lemonade. Yes, lemonade. Yes, that's what we need. Yes. Alcohol. Alcohol. We need alcohol. 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 I'm just being weird. So nothing much is happening. Oh, dropped up. My bad. What was my TV remote? That's what it is. So yeah, guys, nothing much is happening. I'll bring out a vlog or something that describes all my Christmas lights. Why am I like so white? Stop it! I don't like it. So that'll be cool. Probably tomorrow. Hang on. Turn the fan off. That'll be good. Hopefully interesting. I'll probably vlog. Probably be on Saturday or something. I've got to put some lights on the roof, so I've got to go up there. And yeah. So that'll be pretty awesome. Can't wait for Christmas. I cannot just wait. I just want it now. I want it now. But yes, I'm gonna go and edit this. Actually, no, first I'm gonna go to the toilet. But yeah, guys, just thought I'd do another vlog. I can't really do these. I need like something to vlog about. So let me think of something. What the hell? Oh, let me know what you want for Christmas. I'm getting a, oh well, I don't know if I'm getting a camera, but I'm hoping to get a camera. So we can fulfill the dream of what I've said to do, filming 101 with a good camera though. Because I said that I was gonna do I'd get like a monitor and stuff, except I mean if I wanted to do filming and gaming, if I had to choose one that I already have got the equipment to do, it would be gaming, I mean. So and a ghetto probably will come soon. I need a haircut. My hair's falling out. That's not good. That's not good. But yeah. Coming up to 5 minutes, so pretty boring vlog, but I mean there's some info on there for future vlogs, Christmas and stuff. So I hope you have a lovely day. I'm gonna turn this fan back on because it's getting hot. We got that thing back there, which I'll do a vlog about tomorrow or something. My name is RevoCate. I hope you have a lovely. Oh no. What do I usually say? Oh yeah, make sure you subscribe to that. It's just, make sure you subscribe to stay up to date with daily vlogs. Make sure you like the video. Make sure you comment bad, or no, not bad. Make sure you comment constructive things to help me make better vlogs. Comment any questions I can't speak. I'm just gonna give up. My name is RevocateVlog. I hope you have a lovely day, and the eyeball will eat your. I'm not quite sure if I'll continue with this. Probably get charged of pedophilia.